In this video, friends, I will show with you how to reactivate your account on DoorDash, or your account will be back. So friends, all you have to do, go to DoorDash. Deactivated my account, go to this Apple's DoorDasher account, click this link and scroll down. The first step you need to do, friends, you read all this Apple's, then after that scroll down, you find submit Apple, this option. You find this option, complete this appeal form. Just wait to see this page from here and choose the language from here to DoorDash deactivated appeals, for example English, and click submit, and then wait a few seconds, guys. Write your email address that's registered in your account, and from here please choose your deactivated option, for example fraud or duplicate account or violations refill terms, and then click, if you are not sure, click this one, click next, and then write your first name, guys, and last name and phone number. And if you have any screenshots about your account, for example like this screenshot, guys, like this apple, I choose for example this one, and then write your just like this, and click done, and you can drag your screenshot from here, and then click submit. Your write your request here, please prove evidence and support team. For example, I want reactive my account, and then write all this section and click submit. This is how you can do, guys, and you will get email as soon as possible, and then you will see email to activate it soon. Thanks guys for watching this video.